Hi guys, I'm Seonkyoung guest. Welcome to Asian at Home, and today I'm going to show you how to make better than takeout Beijing beef. It is way better than takeout, so you must try it at home. So let's get started. First, you need to slice your 1 pound of beef into a bite size. So try to slice it nice and thin because thinner actually tastes better for this recipe in my opinion. But I recommend you to use either beef chop, flank steak or skirt steak, so a little more cheaper side of the steak because we're gonna cook heck out of it, this beef. We are going to marinate the beef with 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of Shaoxing wine, Chinese cooking wine, and pinch of black pepper. Mix the beef well and let it marinate while we are preparing other ingredients. Let's chop 5 to 7 cloves of garlic, dice a quarter of onion, and quarter of red bell pepper. Now let's mix up the sauce. You will be surprised how simple this sauce is. We will need 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of vinegar. So you can use any type of vinegar that you have. I'm using apple vinegar. You can use apple cider vinegar, red wine vinegar, white vinegar, whatever vinegar that you have in your house. 2 tablespoons of ketchup. Ketchup is actually surprisingly used a lot in Chinese sauce, so yeah, get used to it. 2 tablespoons of sugar. Finally, for a little bit of a kick, 2 to 3 teaspoons of sambal. Mix well and set aside. Now let's get ready to fry our beef. You will need about half to 2/3 cup of frying oil. Turn on the heat to medium and let the oil and the cast iron pot to heat nice and slow. And meanwhile, we are going to dust our beef with half cup of potato starch. So if you don't have potato starch, you can use cornstarch as well. So any starch will do the job for this recipe. Check the oil temperature with your wooden chopstick. If it's bubbles, like you see right here, this is time to drop the beef carefully into the oil. When the beef is done cooking, go ahead and remove the oil from the wok and just leave about 2 tablespoons in the wok. So I have this much oil left. Either you can keep it to cook this recipe again, which is probably gonna do it, or fry the egg or stir fry the dishes, so don't waste it, all right? So heat the wok over medium-high heat again. So when you're using cast iron pan, do not heat cast iron pan like super duper high heat. So be gentle because cast iron pan like it heats up really slowly, but when it heats up, it doesn't cool down that easy, okay? So medium heat is always perfect to use cast iron pan. Go ahead and add the chopped garlic, diced onion, and red bell pepper, and stir fry them about 1 to 2 minutes or until the vegetables are softened. Then go ahead and pour the sauce mixture. Let the sauce cook, simmer, and bubble with the vegetables for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. And now it's finally time to toss the beef in this delicious, scrumptious, mouth-watering sauce.
Too young, too old, too poor. They're just excuses. So when you get down and you bottom out, remember this little something. Hope is what'll help you find your way.
Probably already asking yourself, where's Hanyo? Well, you called it. We don't get along, so I kicked him out. I'm just kidding. He could not be with us today because he had to take care of some personal business
in California.
So he'll be with us soon again. I know you miss him.
After this video and the next video, he won't be here because he's in California, but yeah, he'll be here after that. Don't worry, he didn't kick him out. You guys are creating drama out of
I know,
nothing.
like, I don't think they get along. I don't think they like each other. Jacob is so hard on him. Oh wait, I am hard on him. You guys can say that I did.
I also smell like
Panda.
Panda Express. You made the voice. And people who keep commenting about my dresses recently, I wear whatever I feel good about, okay?
You actually said, you went like this to not say it, but then you said it.
It's my body. Let me do what I want to do. So delicious. If you liked my Beijing beef recipe, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more inspirations and ideas of Asian home cooking. Thank you so much for watching us today. And remember, you can always cook Asian food at your house, making it easy and fun. I'm Seonkyoung Longest.
I'm Jacob Longest.
And this is Asian at Home. We'll see you next time. Bye, guys.
Mwah. Bye.
That's really good.
It is really good. You surprise me every time. Even though I could never be surprised.